In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add resizable text for site visitors in WordPress. WordPress allows users to make the font larger or smaller as per their need by using a simple text resizer tool. You can add it in the sidebar using which users can change text size. To do so, first you need to install and activate this accessibility widget in your WordPress website. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing and activating a plugin, we have a video explaining how you can install and activate a plugin in WordPress. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, once the plugin is installed and activated, simply hover on to Appearance and click on Widgets. Now you can add an accessibility widget here in the sidebar, which will give users an option to change the text size of the WordPress website. You can see the plugin has added an accessibility widget here. Simply drag and drop the widget to the sidebar like this. Expanding the widget, here you can add a title as per your requirement. You can adjust different sizes here and add a custom CSS. Once done, simply click on the Save button. You can also drag and drop the widget to adjust its position. Now let's view the website from the front end. You can use the text resizer tool here in the sidebar. Visitors can select different sizes and resize the text on the page here. So, that's how easy it is to add resizable text for site visitors in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.